Today I'm going to take you through a stability ball stretch. So what's really cool about the stability ball is that it moves, so it's not ever fixed in your stretching. So we're going to start off with a hip roll. So this would normally be the way you'd roll your hips using your legs, but I want you to take the legs completely out of it. And if you feel the legs being worked, I want you to rethink your stretch. So this is great for spinal mobility, for lower back stress, and then I'm going to change directions. Notice it's all in my torso and my pelvis. There's a great way to loosen up that whole area. And then I'm going to turn to the side. We're all familiar with a stretch over the ball. So walk out slowly, support your head, and then just make sure the head is on the ball comfortably, but not far back off the backside. Let's do some arm mobility. So I'm going to just reach, and then stretch, and then circle all the way slowly. You're listening for creaking, cracking, crunching. You can go either direction. It doesn't matter. So I'm just going to go a couple different ways. You're going to listen, because if you've got some weird stuff going on in your shoulders, you will definitely hear it. And then just sit back, come back a little bit more, feel that chest expand. This is phenomenal for posture. And then I'm going to drop my arms. Let the weight of the arms stretch out your chest and your biceps and your front shoulders. Notice my butt is nice and tight, and I'm creating that tabletop, so there's no arching in the back. Then tighten your abdominals to come up. You can use your arms. And I'm just going to sit forward, sit up nice and tall on that stability ball. Bring one leg up, and this is a square 4. What's great about this stretch is you're actually working your balance as well. Chest up, pelvic tuck, and then extend it back. And that's going to give you a really long stretch in the hamstring. Come on down, feel that reach. And then all I'm going to do is rest on my leg. If you're not flexible, just stay up high, but this is going to provide a great glute stretch with the added pressure of the hand. Then take that leg off, extend and open up your hip flexor. Lean back and squeeze this booty. That's what's going to open up that hip, and add a little bit more extension with an arm reach. Then fold yourself forward and then do an oppositional roll for the spine. So I'm turning away from the leg, feeling that stretch. And again, you could reposition and use your arms a little differently. And then we're going to center that and take the other side. Up on the leg, find your balance, lift your chest. You're going to push the pelvis under and then push it way back. And you're going to feel a huge change in the stretch once you do that. Then just gently lift, rest, and this is where that balance plays into your movement. Just a nice, easy push. Relax the hips so you get a nice, deep stretch. Unwind that leg, extend it, reach. I'm going to take a deep pull back, and then I'll reach across. And you want to feel that stretch in the leg. Take a deep breath in, open up those legs, and then we're just going to push down, grab onto the ankles, the shins, anywhere you can, and push back. So again, you're using the ball mobility to facilitate your stretch. Take it in again, sit low, and then reach and stretch. The more you stick your booty out, the better the stretch, and the tighter you take your quads, the better the stretch. I'm going to do that one more time. Watch what happens to my toes. If you turn your toes out, it's going to feel completely different, more to the outside of the leg. Let's expand on this stretch a little bit. This takes some balance. You're going to take that leg on top, and you're going to reach. That's it. Find it and reach. Notice I'm wiggling for my stretch because it takes balance. Other side. And reach. Chest out for the stretch. Deep breath in. Open up those legs super duper wide this time. Pull your knees apart. We're going to tuck the hips under again. Push the tailbone back, and then reach with the shoulders. I'm pressing on this inner thigh for the stretch, and then we're going to tuck again, reach, and then shoulder press to the other side. The main pressure is here on this inner thigh. Take a deep breath in, and then we're just going to rock those hips. Rock from side to side. Bring those legs in. Let's do a couple of upper body stretches. Deep breath in, up. Arms back behind you. Hold on to the ball. Feel the stretch in the shoulders. I'm just sitting down. This is a great anterior delt stretch. Come on up. Open up those legs. Deep breath in. Take it to the side. We're going to go all the way over and fold your hand under the ball. Put pressure on it. Feel that stretch. Then try and take those hands together. Deep breath in. Fold down the ball again. Slide, but keep the pressure. Keep that butt nice and tight. And then reach with that hand. Feel that rotation. We're going to finish off with a deep breath. Pull the chest, open up the sternum, hands down, and we're going to finish just the way we started today with a little hip mobility. Rotate the other way. One last inhale up and exhale. Hope you enjoyed that.